Hello everyone and welcome to my channel viewers. Today we are going to learn or know the 7 wonders of India. In the previous video we learned the 7 wonders of the world and they both are very important for our general knowledge. And today we are studying this, so I hope you will enjoy my video and let's get started the video. Number 1 is Taj Mahal in Agra. You know that Taj Mahal is also included in the 7 wonders of world. So it will be in the 7 wonders of India. And everyone has seen the picture of Taj Mahal, but I will showing you this again. This is the picture of the Taj Mahal. As you are looking, it's very beautiful and so many tourists and visitors are there. And the Taj Mahal is situated in Agra and Agra is in UP. So this is about the Taj Mahal. And you know that it is built by Shah Jahan and Shah Jahan Shah Jahan in memory of her beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. He is also he is also the Sultan in the Delhi Sultanate, as he is the son of Jahangir. Okay, the number second is the Golden Temple in Amritsar. You know that the Golden Temple is situated in Amritsar, and the temple is whole made up of gold and it's very shiny and lustrous. It is also a worshipper place for Punjabis, and worshipping their god Guru Nanak Sahib, and tourists also visit there. It's not only the temple of Punjabis but it's also for all the religions, and the temple is fully lustrous and the langar is also in the Golden Temple. So I will showing you the picture of Golden Temple. This is the picture of the Golden Temple. You are seeing that there is also one sarovar, and in this the worshippers bath and they washed their paps what they had done, and the the server is very neat and clean, and you are seeing that Golden Temple. This is the picture of the Golden Temple, and you are seeing many of the worshippers. I think they are in line, seeing, because only for the worship. And you know that Amritsar is in Punjab and Golden Temple is being situated in Amritsar, and Amritsar is in Punjab. The number third is the Hampi in Hampi. Now, Hampi is a temple which is situated in Hampi, but Hampi is being situated in Karnataka. I think some know about Hampi, but some not. So I am showing the picture of the Hampi, and you have also seen this Hampi in the note. It is also printed in the note, but not written as Hampi. But I am telling that Hampi is being situated in Karnataka. This is a picture of Hampi. This is a temple, and I think you remember about it, that it's printed into note and is looking like a battle card, but it's not like that. It is a temple. It's having wheels also. Okay, so it's the third wonder of India and its name is Hampi and it's situated in Hampi, Karnataka. Okay, the fourth one is the Konark Sun Temple in Odisha. You know that the first sun rays spread in Assam, but the second one is the Konark Sun Temple. This temple is always full of the sunlight. That's why its name is Konark Sun Temple in Odisha. And Odisha it's near the West Bengal. That's why the first sun rays east. That's why it spread on the Konark Temple. So the picture of the Konark Temple is this is the picture of the Konark Sun Temple. It's very big as it is also having a shikara atop where the kalash has been kept or the flag. In this they are making the temple, I think. Not. This is the blur, but this is a very big temple and it is situated in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. The fifth wonder of the India is the monolithic Gomateshwara statue in Karnataka. Monolithic Gomateshwara statue in Karnataka. It's a very big name to be remembered, but it's a very very big statue, not in the world but in India, as because it's regarded as the 7 wonders of India. Okay, I am showing the picture and the image of the monolithic Gomateshwara statue, which is okay. This is the statue of the monolithic Gomateshwara statue. You are seeing that it's very big, as the tourists and the viewers are standing there watching that statue. It's also looking like that's a rocket and it will be fly, but it's a statue of Buddhist because they're not wear the clothes. Okay, so this is the fifth wonder of the India. The sixth wonder is the Khajuraho groups of monuments in Madhya Pradesh, and it is situated at the Khajuraho complex, and its name is Khajuraho Groups of Monument. This is the photo image of the Khajuraho Groups of Monuments in complex. They see many pictures are there. So this because of this, it is regarded as the seven wonders of India. So now the last wonder of the India is Nalanda University in Patna. I think everyone know that Patna is in Bihar and it's also the capital of it. And Nalanda is the biggest university in the India because as it is regarded as the seven wonders of India. You are thinking that it's a very big monument, but not like that. It's a university like the college, not it's also like the temple, and I'm showing the picture of the Nalanda University. This is the Nalanda University. You are thinking that it's not like the university, it's like a monument, but it is the university. I, I don't know why it's regarded, but it is included in the seven wonders of India and it's situated in Patna, Bihar. I hope you like my video and brain boost up your knowledge. So please like, share and subscribe it, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So bye bye.